Hey guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. This time I'm doing a review on the turtles of Grayskull, Leonardo, Michealangelo, and Clamp Champ. I do believe this is one of the last waves of the turtles of Grayskull. It's been a good run with this wave, I think. We got really awesome characters. I still need to get that guy right there, which I have on pre-order. I think an email was sent to me and it's going to be released in April or something. Anyway, we got here Leonardo, leader of the snake hunting green machine. Pretty cool. And reptile wars, so pretty cool. Nice battle scene right there. You got Grayskull and Snake Mountain right there in the background with Splinter and all the characters that have been released. So I'm thinking it's coming to an end. I'm not sure, but I think it is coming to an end because we're about to get the Thundercats, which I'm really excited for that. So yeah, so let's open these guys up real quick. Give you a look at Michealangelo real quick. Powerful party dude. Pretty cool. Nice artwork in the back. So the only one that I'm missing right now is Ninjor. Yeah. And then Clamp Champ. Master of capturing snakes. It comes with a big claw right there. This Clamp Champ fighting some snake man. So yeah, so let's open these guys up real quick and see how they look, how the turtles look with the other two turtles, with Donatello and Raphael. So we've got a nice little comic book here, and just like the other waves, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be in the same comic book for, you know, inside the other two packages. But let's keep it right there. Trying to make him stand, but no. Anyway, here's Leonardo. Comes with two of these swords and some straps over here. One of the things that we haven't got for the Turtles of Grayskull is we haven't got any vehicles. Hopefully they'll release a few vehicles, you know, but we'll see. And here we go with the his swords. Looking pretty cool. You got the half shell right there. Nice figure. All right. So, Michealangelo. Like I said, the same comic book, no different. And with this, I gotta see how these work, but I guess they're nunchucks. I don't know what they are. Look like flames to me, but I don't know. So there are the straps. I don't know, I guess you can put them together. I'm not sure. I gotta see how that works. Yeah, I guess you gotta put them together somehow. I guess you take this off, just like that. There's a figure right there with a nice snake armor. Pretty cool. I guess you can put this on his hand. Pretty cool. Another interpretation of Michealangelo. Looking really nice. And last but not least, we're gonna have a clamshell here. Same head as the first release, the origin release. Then get the straps. A lot of mess over here. I'm gonna throw that away later. But you know, the same comic book, the little pamphlet here, which shows you what parts you can switch off. But here's Clamchamp. Pretty nice looking figure. I guess you can take this. Put the claw right here. Well, it's supposed to stay. I guess it, well, it stays like that. It's got a nice, I can see using this for other figures, you know, like customized figures. Nice skin tone right there. Anyway, the claw opens up, so you can go ahead and fight some snake men. Pretty awesome. Not bad looking figures. One of the things that I did want to do was get the other turtles right here. So there they are. Really nice. Nice wave. And well, that's pretty much it. I guess this is one of the last waves that they're gonna release for the Turtles of Grayskull. I don't know how many more. It shouldn't be that many more. But I do have my pre-order on the other figures that are, you know, about to come out. I can't wait for the Thundercats to come out. See how that works. Hopefully, hopefully it'll be a good wave. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.